live stream is for entertainment and information purposes only. Do not copy our trades, as we are just trading to have fun. Many of our trades could already be closed before you even see us opening the trade on YouTube due to the delay of the stream, and we trade offline as well, so you do not get to see the complete picture. We make no claims of profitability. We are not licensed professionals, and we are not providing any investment or trading advice. Greater than 90% of all traders lose money, and we are not responsible or liable for any of your trading decisions or losses. Please trade on demo only and consult a licensed professional. Please read and understand CFTC Rule 4.41. Let's get to the charts and trade safe today. Good morning, everyone. I'm looking to get into my first trade already. Just trying to get 20,011 or better. So I need to see 10. There we go. Hey. There we go. Okay, I'm in. Not really eager to enter just before the market's open, but I will take the chance. Trying something new today, actually. I haven't even looked at the charts. Good morning, OFT. I don't know the direction. Put in a sell limit. Somewhere up there looks good. Enough. Markets are opening in 7 seconds. Got my finger on the close button just in case. I have no idea what the bias looks like. Oh, take me out. Take me out. Run up to 24. Come on. Okay, I took the first trade. 147. I'll let you all in on, no. I'll let you all in on the secret of what I'm doing later. There we go. Okay, hold on. My screen is way too large here. Way too large. Oh, really? Ooh, that was a small entry. Should have been more. Okay, next trade. Let me think. Come on, enter me in. Not fun, not nice. I'm bidding 12. It went to 30. That was $180 in like a quarter second. Not even supposed to really be in this one, so one more and I have to get out. Let's go, close. I can add. Push higher. We're gonna go take a look and see what the opening drive is doing. It's a bad price. I should try to get out at even and refix it, redo it, re-enter it. There we go. What's the opening drive doing? Anything? The opening drive went long. Okay. Got to set up my algo, start trading eventually, but not yet. I started a little bit late. Let me think. Ooh, I could have entered long there, I think. This trade is not done yet. It's not my favorite trade, but entering long right over here at the bottom. That's where I should have entered. I'm watching for an entry. There we go, that one's good. First one was no good. Let's get up to 2027 bid. 25, 26, 25, 27, 28. It was there. It was there. I had it. It's going to go again. It's going to go again. Don't worry. Let's just rely on the probabilities. Oops. I didn't want to add there. I wanted to add lower. Okay, let's make it a big trade. There we go. Now go take me out. Go take me out. There we go. There we go. Some super scalping right in the morning. Without even looking where the market is, where the market's gonna go. Okay, I'm back. Let's keep watching. Let's go say hello to our buddies. I know how to do it now. I need another tab open. Close my extensions. Got to be careful if I'm going to type in from the chat. Don't want to spill my tea. I do have one more trade. I could have taken it right there on this bearish candle. I missed it setting up. That's too bad, but I'm not going to FOMO into it. That was 16 points I gave up. Another 160. I want that 160. Come on, get me 80 at least. Six. I'm buying at the US session highs. It's dangerous. Let me see 80. It's half of the 160 I was supposed to get. Make it easier. Go, now get a little push. One push. Just one push. 30, 20, 14, there we go, there's the 80. And close it, whatever it is. I don't think that was 80. I tried. There we go, wood chip. I can see you in the distance, but now soon I'll be able to see you clearly. I already threw up twice listening to Rip's trombone voice and rat tail Patrick. We just need to be patient, get one trade, semi-full port. Yeah, I did something interesting. What the hell? What was I saying? Yeah, I was speaking to ChatGPT on how to better trade my accounts, what size I should be using. And ChatGPT said, I am trading way too conservatively. It'll go black for a second. I gotta check my task manager. I think I figured out how to use Chrome. Okay. I solved the Chrome problem. The Joker trades. Good morning, everyone. Joker. I was just telling Woodchip I spoke with ChatGPT on the weekend. It revised the way I should be trading. It gave me a trading plan for my accounts, size, everything. Very interesting. It took almost a half an hour for it to, I'm not joking, for it to run the calculations and come up with a sizing plan. After I asked it how long would that have taken if I would have done it manually, it said 40 hours. I said, wow, I think I trust it. Wow. Hard down. Crazy here. Look at those 2 candles on the 1 minute chart. Crazy. 19,945. I'm hearing arguing. I think my son is arguing. Oh, my mic. Where's my mic here? It's not even near me. Sorry, guys. So, I didn't even run my analysis yet. 15 minutes. We're under VWAP. We swept the Asia session lows. This is bearish. Daily, it's just a little bit of a pullback into maybe the 50. But for now, today is showing bearish. Okay, so cool. Well, this time for a change, I was distracted. And I missed a losing trade. That's how I like it to be. Let's blow some accounts for fun. No, I have to report back to ChatGPT and tell how well I did. Coming up to VWAP. If we get above VWAP, I might be happier with my longs. I mean, I'll still take longs. Oh, no, 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 no. Go lower, go lower. Go lower, go lower. PW. There we go. What's going on? What's with this jiggling? What kind of jiggle was that? Where's the spread? The spread's going up. Get out. Get out. Take me out. I only have a 2-lot left. Take me out. What's going on at 9:45? Was there news that I missed? Lower, bro. Action. Action, mic. Microphone, lower, bro. I think that's code, but maybe I'm speaking too loud. Maybe my mic is too high. Hello? Hello? No, it's not. It's not even going to the red lines. Maybe you're... I'll lower it a bit. You know what? I have the Lou Rawls voice. You're going to make me miss another trade. I'll lower the lo-fi. Yeah. No, not the levels. Got another enter. Entry. There we go. I'm long at 39.41. Lou Rawls. I can't help that. I'm sick still. Believe it or not. Got my tea. Not even coffee. There we go. 30. Oh, it looked kind of good. Looked like it was going. You know what? I know what I see. I see my reason not to be in this trade. The VWAP. I was long right under the VWAP. I tried to troll some big names. PW, Action Mic. Am I Action Mic or is there another Action Mic out there? Microphone, lower, bro. No, not the levels. Lou Rawls. Don't miss out. Why you have so much money already? Are you kidding me? That's the new, you missed it. That's the new ChatGPT money management plan. ChatGPT told me how to trade my accounts. I told it exactly what I have. I told it Apex, gave it all the Apex rules, and it told me, I gave it my percentage accuracy, my average winner, average loser, and told me what size to trade and how to trade it, how to rotate them. So, I'm doing it. But I'm undersizing today by half. It told me to do a 1-lot. I'm doing one mini. 41. I can get back in 41. 38, 37. Oh my God, that's an excellent entry right there. Let me get it. Come on, film me. Film me. You were there. Why'd you jump up so fast? Yeah, so it told me what size to trade and how to trade them and how to rotate them. And it took a long time. I'd never seen ChatGPT do this. I'm taking maybe 40 minutes before it spit out an answer. Shit, damn. Come on, look where I was. That was another 10 points. There we go. Come back down. Film me. Anyways, I asked it after how long it would have taken me to do it manually. It said 36 to 40 hours of calculations. There'll be another There it goes. What do I have there? I can't enter there. Can't enter there. Can't enter there. Okay, we wait. Oof, it's cold again. Well, I'm looking now that we're above VWAP. We could potentially make a run for the London highs. If we hold this low here, 985, and we stay above VWAP, this could be the low of the day. This could be the low of the day, and that could bode well for long positions. I'm short. You're getting back. We're getting back under VWAP. Getting under VWAP. 19,945 target. Is that the same number as before? Yes, it is. 945. Should I go look and see what 19,945 is? That's under the London lows. Okay, okay. That works. My next trade's going to be a long if nothing changes right now. How is the... Hard to see if the... I got messages from my daughter. Hold on. I called it. No one comes to school in the last week. Parking lot is empty. Cool. Let me tell her cool. So I'm not really going to stick too much time over here. I can see that opening drive didn't do too well, and I'm not really following. 19,875, you believe in life? That's funny. Thanks for the laugh. That's a Cher song, I think. Wow, they're complaining about my music? Seriously? Seriously? I'm on OFT's channel. I can barely hear him. His music is so loud. Short. Everything is short. That's it. I've changed to short. What chip? I'm aligned with you. Okay. Really? I missed it. I missed it. I missed another trade. Oh no. Wait, what am I waiting for? This is the size that I'm supposed to have. 15 lots. This is a 150K account. And of course it spikes on me. Of course it spikes on me. Let's get down to 13. Okay, that was good trade management. Go, enter. I was so close to entry. Let's go. 27. What's 27? 14. 13. Yeah, 13. I needed to see 13 bid. I trolled so hard and got no mentions. Gotta get out. Gotta get out. Well, I guess sometimes it depends on how many people are in the room. I trolled PW and Rips. Yeah, well, they got, you know how fast their chat is scrolling by. Think of it like dollar bills falling from the sky. Thousands of them. Yeah, they all look good, but Luna, okay. Luna doesn't have a lot of people. This is a long underview. I'm not crazy about it, but I'm gonna take it. That's the right price. That's the right price. Come on, let's get higher. Let's get up to 48, 49, 46, 47, 49, 50. That's where I want to get out. There we go. There we go, there we go, there we go. A little bit more super scalping, baby. News at 10. Hey, Alex. How's it going? Alex! Come back, trade beside me. Man, I miss it, man. I miss it. That was my good old days. Thanks, Al. Yeah, I heard some guy named Pete Pips. You should even put on a headset, Al, and join in on the stream. You did good when we were scalping side by side. You did good. He's gone. I think he ran away. Came to tell me news at 10. Well, I'm happy. My cough is gone. My nose is a little bit blocked. My nose is blocked, giving me a deep voice, but. Where's James? James isn't making an appearance today. Wow, so if I was trading the right size, I'd be up 1.2K. Because ChatGPT said 15 lots on this account. Hmm. Waiting and waiting. That's where I am now. Well, you know what? I got to set up the strat, eh? Right? Yeah. Wait for the 10 o'clock news to pass. Edit strategy. Template. Load. Morning. Load. And what do I just do? Synchronize all strategies. You can't synchronize them. Okay, so the news came out. The spread is wide. 3, 4, 6, 7 points. 8 points, 5 points. We're going to wait for the spread to settle down. Wait for the spread to settle down. At least get under 1. Right now we're 150, 175. I'm starting to see 0.75. I want to see some 0.5s. When I see 0.5, I know everything is settled. And at 10:03, 10:04, I'll running higher. $97, 20,100. There we go. Like I said, break the London session highs. We're breaking the London session highs. Wrong account. Let's get back up. 50 would be nice on this one. I'm long at 00. 2, 3. Oh, that's not a good exit. 2, 3, 3, 4, 75, 5. There you go. 5, 5, 5. Give me 5, 5, 75. Yep, I agree. I agree. This is bullish. I'll enter in a 5 here. You know, ChatGPT, one of ChatGPT's advice is enter your trades. Don't be afraid about entering your trades. The law of large numbers is going to take care of you, unless, of course, your system's edge disappears. Come on. Pop. Pop. Get me out. Really? That's it? Another shitty. Okay, well, We'll wait for a better entry. We'll wait for a better... Oh, there's your better entry already. We didn't even have to wait for it. I'll add a little bit more down here because my stop is so close. Let's get rid of the extras already. It should go. It should go. If it doesn't go, that means I get stopped out. Don't stop me out. No. Okay, let's get out. Not bad. Less than what I should have lost. I'll try one more on this account. After that, it's a rotation. So waiting for a bullish, I want to see a bullish candle. We're in a little bit of a pullback. We're trading into a bullish fair value gap. We're coming down to the VWAP. But one more candle and I can't go long anymore. I gotta wait for rotation higher. Gotta wait for rotation higher. You gotta follow the rules. That is what, there we go. There's your candle. It's a full candle below the bands. Once you get a full candle below the bands, I don't know that number. And it doesn't say Donald Trump. I need this to dump now. Go lower. Go down to the low 60s. Low 60s. Low 60s. 63. Good enough. Good enough. That was ChatGPT size. I got out too early, though. I should get out on a bearish candle. That's there. That should have been my exit, 53. So look how much I gave up. I gave up a lot. It's too bad. But at 55, actually at 57, I can re-enter short. But do I want to enter short just above VWAP? How about for a small amount? How about for a 3-lot just to keep myself busy? 3-lot at 57. 53. Come on, give me my 57. Give me my 57. That's it. It's too late. I can't take it anymore. It's too late. I can't take it anymore. Too bad. Too bad. Too bad. Too bad. Look at it go. Look at it go without me. What a dump, man. Make new U.S. session highs. Do a little bull flag. Go up another 50 points. And then just erase it all. Okay, I did that one. I did that one. I can't do that one. I can trade another 5-lot. Really, it's supposed to be a 10-lot. Tomorrow I'll do the 10 lots, maybe. We'll see how the 5 goes. Or maybe I'll do the first week with the 5 lots. A little bit of a retrace in that pullback. A retrace in the pullback. What do we do with a retrace in the pullback? Well, I am currently I don't want to open my mouth because things could change quickly. So I'm not even going to say it. But I'm currently looking for a short. It's going to change real quick, though. 62, 58, 48. 48 offer has to hold. So I have to see 48 on the offer, and it has to hold for a second. That'll get me short. But if we trade just a little bit higher, that's all out the table, out the window. Everything is but. There's always, that's it. Done. On this chart here, it's got to go up another 8 points. Form this bullish candle, and there's your but. No more shorts now, guys. Now it's longs. That's how quickly we reverse. Which means I can go long on the first bearish candle right now. So I will do that. It's just the first bearish candle on a reversal. Let me even put in my limit order. Hurry up, my limit. There we go. I wasn't at the right spot. Watch it go without me again. Let me get in for 5 just in case it goes. I'm supposed to be in for 10 anyways, according to ChatGPT. Thing is, we didn't discuss this strategy. We discussed a different one. So I don't even know what it would be what, 16, it would be 12 points. I think it would be 12 points at the full loss. I'm not sure. There's the ad. And now the stop is at the next bear candle, which is 8 points. So it's about 8.5, 12. There we go. So there we go. And there we go. So I lost less. This broke below. Interesting. That should be a short, but that should be a long. Okay, so I got that should be a short. That should be a long. That means I should stay out. And if anything, I'm not going to take a short because we're above VWAP. Given we're above VWAP, I'm going to try and get in long. Go with the long. Come on, now we want to see 69 bid. 69, there you go. There you go. Push higher. Push higher, one more bar. No. Why you do that? Provincial. Have to get out. Let me reanalyze. Let me sit up. Let me see what I'm looking at. Long. I'm looking for a long. I'm looking for a long at 62, 66, 76. For now. Wait. Gotta try and get in. There we go. 1, 2. Oy, that was a mistake. That was a mistake. Click. Don't go lower. I gotta get out. I misclicked also. Okay. Boop. Short, really? Not taking it. Not taking it just above VWAP. Not taking a short above VWAP. Things converted to short, but things converted to short above VWAP. Let's see. Let's get a push. Let's get a push on the VWAP. Make me feel better. Right now, shorts, no thank you. Not interested. I want to go short, but we're above VWAP. Could have had a short at this first bar that forms. Should I take a one lot at a much better price? That's a better price. I'll take it. Why not? Let's see if we go back down. Yeah, pull out 110 bucks out of it. James G. Good morning, James G. James G. I have an interesting story for you. That was good. Oh, shit. You see what I'm doing? I got a good short entry that was a little bit away from VWAP, and I took it. But then I took a short entry that was right on VWAP, and that was a mistake. That's what I meant by, do you see what I'm doing? It was a valid entry, but it was right on VWAP, and that's not a good place to enter. Get out. There we go. I got my mistake back. Excellent. Today is Monday. Look how we're bouncing right off VWAP again, eh? VWAP is showing to be giving support here. What's your schedule like today, James? Is there a coffee in our future? Seems to be a little bit of screaming going on. The question is, do I take the next short? And I will. That's, of course, if it sets up. James, what happened? I was asking you a question. You didn't even answer. Where'd you go, James? Oh, there we go. I went in the kitchen, but I heard coffee? How do you hear coffee? Oh, you heard, yeah. No, it was, no, it wasn't. I know what you mean now. I thought you meant you went into the kitchen because you heard coffee. I said, how do you hear coffee? Yeah. Are we, is there coffee in our future today? Is the weather good? Is it nice outside? I know when my daughter left, it's true, I was supposed to answer her. She sent me a text. When my daughter left, I'm in. Okay, I'm in. I got a really good story for you. Interesting. A chat GPT story. Cool. So we go to Dose. You pick me up, we sit outside. Cool. Okay, anytime you want. Anytime you want. Okay, looking for scalps to the long side. Can I? Yes, I can. Buy 5. I can do that. I can buy the first pullback. The first bearish candle. Let's go answer my daughter while I'm waiting. I watch. Give her a quick answer. Happy for you. Comma, thumbs up. Still running. Still running. I got to move this up to here. Hey, hey, hey. Oh, I didn't, I didn't. 19,998. The lower is 998.25, so it did get stopped out, and it went long at 2024, so it lost 24 points today. Just curious. Just curious. And I didn't enable the algo. And since I'm going for a coffee, I guess I'm not going to enable it. I'll get back to it tomorrow. Okay, film me. There we go. There's your 5 lot. So I'm not supposed to cover till a bullish candle. I always cover early. How much am I down? I'm not. This is not even bring this account back into green yet. Serious? Still, there we go. There we go. It's back. $84.76. That's 8 points. Really? You're going to do another rug pull on me? How many times you guys going to do that? It's tiring. It's always the wrong side for me. Okay, I got to get out because this trade is over. I don't get those every day. There's well, how many points was that? Was I looking at? Boom, 70. Not that much, 20 points, but still, what kind of insta move was that? Who's doing these things? I'd love to know what's the mechanics behind that. James is going to tell me. Can I go long? Yeah, I technically can. Again, with view up right there. But maybe I want to wait a little bit. It's gotten awful quiet. What's going on? Me too. If you can hear me, I don't even know if my mic is on. Let me check. Yep, mic is on. Mic is on. Me too, along. That's rare for us to be in sync, but along. Let me see. There, 5. 5 limit. Fill me. Tight stop. Just sit, wait, let it play out. Long at 54. Let's see if I can get out around 64. Or I'm going to let this one go a little extra one here because we stopped 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times at this level. Of course, I'm going to let it go a little more and it's just going to collapse. It's always the case with me. I know I'm being negative, but it always seems to happen like that. And the thing is, when something happens 5 times, it's supposed to hold. It's not even supposed to break anyways. So let's go. Let's get up to the low 60s. Yeah, the mid 60s. Mid 60s. James, what time? You want to go? Boop, boop. We're stalling out at this level. I'll take it. It's a little bit. I'll take it. It's not a lot of bit. We're trading around VWAP. VWAP's acting like a magnet, and I'm not crazy about it, so let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let's wait for another setup. Besides that, I got stuff. I got alarms ringing in opposite directions everywhere. Shorts, longs, long, short, long, long. I have 2 positions open. Once I close, I'll call you. Volume is off. Sounds good. Thumbs up. Hit the like button. Subscribe. All donations are welcome. No good sales at Bulenox. I looked just this morning. I think they're showing 45% off. Got to fix that. Nobody's interested in 45% off. You're not going to get anybody to sign up. This is an interesting support area right at the... Hey, Sparky, is your window open? Right at the 47 area. Let's make that line black. Yeah, let's make it green. It's support. Let's make it green. There we go, green. As green as can be. A big solid green line that's supporting price. And VWAP just happens to be there. If you can see all the supports, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this one actually, to be honest with you, got so close. Were there any more? Well, actually, if you look over here, it acted as resistance until we broke through it. So this seems to be a level for today. Maybe it's the point of control. Who knows? Who knows? Could be. It's pretty much in the middle of the range, today's range. Yeah. Getting close to it again. Well, for me, it's a cheap long. Not going to take it, but it's a cheap long. Doesn't change the fact. Did I say it's a cheap long? So, one more touch into that level, and that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times now. But everything is showing me short, so although it looks like a cheap long, I'm not taking it. Booyah, that's 16 points, just to let you know, 46 to 62. And we're going there again. Well, we'll trade away from it. I read that already. We'll trade away from it eventually. We'll move away. How long do we trade here? Somebody buy, somebody sell. Well, we touch it again. Boom! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's the 7th touch. The 7th touch. Another cheap long entry for 16 points. It's a 2 to 1. If it goes down, I should be taking them. I should be taking them all. Let me try. Let me put a buy limit for 5. $10 a point. But I got to get my price close to it. I don't even know what the price is. Oh, it's $46.50. I can see. $47. Came close. I saw 47 on the bid. There we go. Now what happens? I'll take $50 out of this. Let me see 50 on the offer. 50 on the bid. Oh, 46.38 is where I get out. We broke lower this time, but it came back. Yeah, the one I entered is the one that found a way to poke lower, huh? 44, 42, 34. Okay. Well, now we are officially short. We got the break below. Do we get 2 candle closes below VWAP? Not yet. We got one. We got one candle. We didn't get 2 consecutive candle closes. We got one over here. We pulled above VWAP. Here we got our 2 consecutive candle closes. Here we didn't. One above, one below. So we stayed below. One above, one below. We stayed below. Let's see if we get 2 consecutive candle closes. What did I lose on that? Let's say I lost about 8 points. So if we get to 21 bid, 22, 21, there we go. Take me out. Okay. Made me whole again. And I'm still waiting. Can I go? No, the first retrace was done already. I can't take a retrace trade. So we gotta wait. I need a retrace continuation trade. Hey, does anyone have any opinion about top one trader? Are they good? Do you think they're good? Futures trading with Kellyanne says they're a scam. Or they're scammy, or they're potentially scammy. I'm not sure exactly what she's saying it. They're allegedly scammy. They might become scammy. I didn't watch the video that carefully. She moved them into the to be watched column, maybe? I have to go see. I have to go see the video. See how she's ranking them and why. I mean, I don't think changing the rules is scammy. You know, and you can say that about every store. Hey, yesterday beef was 50% off. Today it's not. Oh, that's a scam. That's not a scam. They had a special. Anyways, that's the way I see it. So I only traded 2 accounts and nothing spectacular. Try one more. Wow, that just went through like butter. The best case scenario is now we get down to 13 on the bid. Or 13 on the offer. Right away, quickly. And I can add to that. And I would add to that. All the way down to 20,000. But right now we're a little bit higher. 20,030. I need 13, not 30. Come on. You want to go down to 20,000, don't you? Really? Okay. That was a good try. Didn't work. But it was a good try, and we're right back at VWAP. Is the next short going to be a good trade? Getting above VWAP. That's why I don't like to use VWAP as an entry trigger. It's only a reason not to take trades. Wow, so close to switching over to long again. I'm not going to chase, though, because This market is bouncing higher, lower, higher, lower, higher, lower. I don't know. I mean, technically, also, I could have just... Oops. Oops. Hey, where the fuck is my line? Ah, wrong line. I'm just... There. I put a bunch of blue lines here. There we go. So we broke it, the downside, and now we're shooting right back up again. Oh, look what I see. Looky, looky. We've broken above the bands. You know what that means? It means I can take the first bearish candle to the long side. By limit, right there. Ah, come on. Tell me, don't cheat me. Don't cheat me. Seriously, even to pay a little more? There we go. Good morning, Jacin Cloutier. I'm using my ChatGPT strategy today. How's your day so far? Bring me luck. Give me $100 on this trade. I'm canceling that one. Hee 22, 37. Let's go. 40, 75, 80, 80, 80. Come on, 90. That's a 90, 97, 112. Taking it. There you go. You brought me the $100. Stick around. Next trade. Oh, Lord. Still not in green, though. Boring. Boring. It's too bad. So in 23 seconds, we're closing above that lower swing high. That was fun. Can I take the next one? I guess I kind of could. This is a strong run. I don't think we're going to come back down to 2060. Let's see if it delivers. Let's see if it delivers. Sit on my hands, wait for something to set up. If we have a little bit of a pullback and then a continuation, that can happen very fast. But I want a better price. That's my better price. That's my better price. That was quick. But there is a bullish fair value gap. 60, 60, 75, 115. I saw 115. I didn't get it. No. That was my chance. 70, 95, 130. I'll take it. I'll take it. Another $100. $20,069 plus 14 is the next entry. 84, that's 83 bid. At 83 bid, I am directed to go long. I will take it. We got to get to 83 bid. And 83 bids got to hold for 1 second, and then hopefully we run for 110. That'll be 27 points. I got my finger on the mouse, and it's the right mouse, not the wrong mouse. Last time I had my finger on the wrong mouse. That was aggravating. Remember, guys, don't follow my trades. Don't try and copy my trades. This is some quick draw scalping. There's a delay on YouTube. I'm not a licensed professional. You need to consult the advice of a licensed professional. You should trade on demo. Most traders lose money. You know the drill. You know the disclaimer. Do not copy my trades. You see it right there on the bottom. Telling you over and over and over all day long. Read it. It's not there for fun. Oh, there's the entry. 83. Let's go. Give me better price. I want better price. Give me 81, 83, 84, 85, 82, 82, 83, 84. No, come back down. Go down to 80, 80, 80, 80. Come on, 80. Just let go see 80 for 1 second. 82, 82, 82, 81, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 80, 84. I should have taken the 81, 81, 80, 84 again. I'm not going to get it. I'm not going to get it. 83, 84, 87. Pas gentil. That means not nice in French. 89, 90. I missed it. I missed this one. I wanted a better price. Okay, that's only one trade. Printing red, not going well. Normally you have good calls. The market isn't just going, I guess, in sync with your style. Call it quits. I'm gonna make a video about what you said. I hope I'm gonna make a video about what you said. To protect yourself from yourself. You said, I'm going to protect myself from myself. I thought that was such a good piece of advice. Especially for people who struggle with discipline. Trading, think about this. So 2 weeks just green and then 2 weeks slowly bleeding. Yeah, that hurts. But if you're doing everything according to your plan, following your process, then you can't really beat yourself over the head over it. Oh, my dog's going crazy. Now 90. The next one, last one was at 83, I think. This one's going to put me in at 90, and I'm going to try and get a better price. Another little quick scalp. But we got to see 90 on the bid first, and it's got to hold. 87, 86. I'm getting there. Slowly creeping higher. Mike, why don't you enter early? Because that's not my setup. Who says we don't tank from here and go down to 60 bid? See, 82. Good thing I didn't enter at 87. Yeah, I use that a lot. Learned from one of my mentors. He had to protect himself from himself. Yeah, okay. Have size to half and stop as half also. Yeah, that's the way to do it. Cut back. I get frustrated sometimes and I increase size, and that's the absolute wrong thing to do. 100%. You have to cut your size. Go watch videos by SMB Capital. When you're digging yourself in a hole, the markets are digging you into a hole, you have to cut size. If this goes 90 bid, I should definitely be getting a much better price. Maybe even 5 points better. There's the 90. Oh, no, that was 90 bid, but it didn't hold for a second. Not official yet. Not official yet. Oh, did it again? Oh my God. I'm gonna try a 5 lot early. Guess it really looks like it wants to go, but it keeps being rejected. That's almost telling me not to go in early. Just normal trading cycles. Red is my color, not all, but half a count, a little overall. So yeah, normal trading cycles, definitely, they happen. And you have to be ready for them. Everybody, not you. Chop, chop. Next, view up. I hope not. I mean, I don't mind, but let it just go to 97 bid. 20,100, and then it can go anywhere it wants. We're just really stuck here. Oh, it tried. Tried again. Wow. Look how many times it's going. It's so funny. Okay, out. Done for the day. See ya. See ya, OFT. I'll let you know if that video comes out. You'll certainly get a mention. You'll certainly get a shout out. I'm hearing an echo. I don't know why. Oh, it's coming from my laptop. Well, good condom video. Okay, there's a 90 bid and it held. So let's see if this thing wants to go. I want a better price, a really better price, because I didn't like the action I was seeing. 2 points ain't going to do it, but 5 points is. 3 points. 87. 87 isn't exciting me. Smells rug pull day. Oh, I already got caught in one. It wasn't a huge one, but I got caught in one. Why are we stalling at 20,090? Shouldn't we be stalling at 20,100? Well, I'm in with the right size. $83, $81, $82. There we go. There we go. There we go. Got out. Got out. Got out. You know what's a good trade? Yeah, right here. This is a good trade. This is how the trade should be structured, right here. Stop loss or not, this is how the trade should be structured. I'm finally happy with my entry. Now I'm trying for 97 on the bid. 97 on the bid. And I'll get out on little pieces on little pops. 35, 40 bucks. I'll get out one piece. Oh, going against me. Now in the close. I'm going to exit when it close. If it goes close, oh, get out one more piece. Come on, let's get up to 97 bid. 94, I'll get out on another piece. 90, 90. Let's see if we can see 94, 91. 94. 94, 95, 94, 95. Come on, give me 97. 97 is really what I'm waiting for. That's the real number, 97. No, wrong way. Wrong way. I took a few pieces out, but I wanted to see 97 now. 97 on the bid, 91 on the bid, 92 on the bid, 90 on the bid. That sucks. Tick 93, 94, 95, 96. There we go. That's close enough. And that's 103. So the close enough plus the 103, that gets me easily my 97. Very good, very good. I'm happy. It's not great, but it's good. It's good enough. Now what? Now we wait. Let's see if we're going to be breaking out through IB high. Let's take a look at... Oh, no kidding. No kidding. Wow, Nasdaq is a lot weaker than the ES. But what's the no kidding? The no kidding is the algo is long. Let me take a... Let me take a 5 lot. It's long at 101. I'm long at 98. 3 points better. Its target is 16 points, so 117. If I'm reading it right, and it really looks like I'm reading it right. $16 points, that's 160. Let me reduce risk a little bit. If it runs, well, I'm gonna love it. Come on. Let's get up to 110. 110. 105. No, before I was hoping for 97, now I'm hoping for 110. Not hoping, I'm calling for it. Not hoping for it. I'm calling for 110. 107. Take a piece off. Next step, 110, 8, 9, 10, 13, and piece off. 16 is the target. Let me take another piece off. Look at that. You gotta love it. You gotta love it. The algo gave me this trade. Close. Goodbye. It's good enough. Good enough. Thank you, algo. That was fun. I caught it. You know why I caught it? Because I had the chart on another screen. Before I used to have to switch. Go over here. Where you guys would see it. Missed a couple of trades, but didn't miss that one. The entry was right on the close of this bar. Two or more bar retrace, and then a continuation. That was your entry. And your target is the ATR, which is down here on the bottom. But I have it on another screen, so I saw it. And I said, okay, I'm going to jump in on it. That was fun, but I'm still not doing good enough. I don't know. It's like I'm talking to myself, so I'm not telling you the ChatGPT secret. Nobody's participating. I have no participation. 10:59. Did we get up to 16? I got out a little early. We got up to 1550. Well, it might have been the target. I don't really know. Markets are getting a little excited here. Ah, well, what a surprise. We wicked through the initial balance high, but didn't close above it. Let's expand the chart. This is the initial balance high up here. Pushed through it, came right back down. The fact that that happened is not a surprise. You can expect that quite often to happen. I'm going to keep this green line in for the rest of the day, but I don't think I'll be trading much more. Maybe we wait till it closes above and see what that gives us. But the good trade is when we get above it, you get a full candle above it, we retrace to the IB high, and you take the IB high retest. That's a good test, a good trade. But you got to be more patient for that one. The fade trade, it did play out, but I don't like it. I don't like it because it's got too much risk. And why it's got a lot of risk? Because there are days when we just blow right through it. So that's not a trade I want to take. Not too often. We got to close. Got to close above IB high, but we got immediately pushed back inside. Okay, cool, it worked. Everything is up and running. Way to go. Close above, close below. We didn't get two consecutive candle closes above IB high. Not a good sign. So we're trading sideways there. I think it's Control 4. Nope. Control F12. Yeah. There we go. That's our little box. That's our little consolidation. We're boxed in over here at the IB high. Close above, close below, close above, close below, playing games. No idea what's going to happen. Could blast higher, could blast lower. But if we look at the 15-minute chart, we're pretty bullish. I would not call this 15-minute price action that I just expanded bearish. And who knows, this dotted black line is, let me change my cursor, this dotted black line is Friday's close. So maybe it's time for the gap fill. Maybe that's what's on people's minds. That could be the easy target. That could be the easy target. 16 seconds, we get a second consecutive close above the IB high. That's the first good sign. The first good sign. Oh, look at that. Getting right back inside. Or is that support right now? I could take that as a support trade. Too late. I took too long. You see? You don't get to sleep. There we go. I got filled at 07.25. Currently it's at 11.75. That's only 4 points. Not enough. 12, 13. That's enough. That's 6 points. I'll take 6 points. It was only on a 3 lot, but I'll take 6 points. Quick 6 points. That was just a super scalp. You gonna give it to me again? I'll take it again. Got my finger on the buy bid. Do not copy my trades. 10 bid. 9. 9. 8. I want to see a 7. 9, 10, 12, 13. Oh, well. Still holding, though. Oh, 7. Whoa! Look at that. Thank God I didn't do it. See? Thank God you don't copy my trades. Another damn rug pull. Oh, there's a trade. I don't have the best entry. Now I gotta lighten up because my entry's not that good. And once I lighten up, my entry will be where it should be. It should be at the top of that bullish candle. I'm a little bit more. There, I got it down. Come on, give a push. I don't want a 9 lot at this price. There we go, 6. I don't even really want a 6 lot at this price. Let me get out another piece here. 3 points, 2 points. There we go. I want a 3 lot. Because these trades have a lot of risk. These trades have a lot of risk. Now I got my finger off the mouse. Okay, that's good enough. That's 1 bar. Give me 1 bar. Take me out. Sell market. So that's about 9 points. I'm long at 0050, 100 0050. And now I'm going to try for 1 more bar. 1 more bar is going to bring me around the 16, 17, 20,116, 20,117. Dave? Someone's upstairs. I'll take 1 more out. It's not really performing great. But let's go. You got to be patient. They stall and then they go. And you know what? This run can bring you to 20,120, 20,130, 140. I think you could see momentum if we can get that close above IB high again. That's this white dash line up here where my cursor is on the black chart. That's the initial bounce high. It's the trading of the first hour that's marked off by this brownish box. And the high is that white line. It's what they call the initial balance high, or the first hours of trading high. Some people call it an opening range break. When they use the 1 hour, opening range break can be on anything. The first 5-minute candle, 2-minute candle, 1-minute candle, 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour. There's a lot of pro traders that don't trade till 10 o'clock. They wait to see the break for the first half hour. Bing, just got a message. It's like my fries are ready. Ping. Okay, really? You're not letting me, goodbye, this trade is over. Sally ask. Good enough. I got a message. I got a message. I gotta get it. Besides, trade size was small. Tomorrow I'm going to be trade copying. Wow. So basically what we were doing around VWAP, we just did around IB high. I'm hungry. Oh, did I take that trade? I don't remember what trade I took. Got a couple of wicks outside that range, but we're still in that range since 10:55. Let's break out of it. If you guys are going to buy evals, use code FLOOR. Easiest code to use. FLOOR gives you the best discount available at the time. But don't listen to me. What do I know? I'm not a licensed professional. If you think it's better to trade your own money and risk $5 instead of $40, let me know how that works out for you. It never works out good for new traders. Your probability of success. It's such an inverse relationship. Your probability of success is so low, and your hope for success and your aspirations are so high. Everyone thinks they're going to be different. They're the next prodigy in the markets. Until the market does what the market does. That's why the evals are so good. You get in for low cost. You get to see how the markets know how to slap you around. And then start to focus and you learn what not to do. That's how you get good. You just keep learning what not to do. And eventually you have no more things that you shouldn't be doing, and you're only doing what you should be doing. And that's just assuming that you have your head on straight and you're disciplined. A lot of people are self-destructive, me included. If you guys weren't here before, I was talking to OFT, Only Futures Trading. And there was an expression he gave. It was, you have to protect yourself from yourself. That is so true in trading. If you don't understand it, you're going to have some nasty lessons to learn. Most likely. Nothing is certain. And don't listen to me. This is entertainment only. I'm not a licensed professional. And I'm just having fun. Boom, boom, boom. What's the trade? The trade is not short. We are long biased. There's only one trade I can take, and that's if 04 bid holds. I'm going to take it on my Bulenox account. I'm not crazy about it, because we just broke below that box. But that could have been just a fake out. Stop out those bulls who were kind of assuming we're going to run through the IB high, take them out, make it look like we're heading lower, make a lower swing low, which is what we did. Actually, two of them. Well, no, not two of them, one of them. Two of them after two more bars. This will be the second one. But we don't know. Nobody knows what's going to happen. Maybe they're faking out the shorts. Maybe they're faking both out. You got to plan the trade and trade the plan. If you do that and you respect your stops and you size properly and you trade a system that you know has edge, not just taking random entries like moving average crosses, or identify your edge. Trading is difficult for me. It is, but I can't tell you how comforting it is to know when I enter a trade that I have a 70% chance of my target being hit. And knowing that that's been tested over 3,000 trades, live, real time. Well, I was supposed to copy trade. I didn't. I traded like a baby. I was supposed to copy trade to 3 accounts. So what we should have been seeing is 512, 512, 512, 315, 315, 315, and 144, 144, 144. That's what we should have been seeing on my screen right now. Do you even see it? Is it even up there? Yeah, it is up there. Sometimes I don't have the account data up. Cancel all orders. But I didn't follow my plan exactly today. I'm supposed to rotate after a full loss, and I didn't. I didn't because the accounts were still green, so I continued. 83.97 is the next bid I'm looking for it to hold for an entry. Still not the craziest trade for me, because the way we broke below that range there that I highlighted on the 1-minute chart. Now we're trading below it. Never even had a full candle above initial balance high. I mean, maybe this one over here. But, you know, if you can't see space, if you have to squint your eyes and expand the chart, it doesn't really qualify. It doesn't qualify for me. It needs to be obvious. Well, here's 9 of 350. That's not even what it is. Hey, what's gold doing? I didn't even look while we're waiting. Nice. 33.22. Crude. Nice. I like to see crude going down. That means the cost of gas at the pump's going to come down. Well, it's trying. It's trying to get to 97 bid, which is where it's going to be my next entry. but I'm definitely going to demand a better price because it's struggling to get there, which means it's more than likely. Look at these three levels right here. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I missed it. 2007. Really? What? 97, sorry. No trades for me until we decide if we stay below IB or break out. Yeah, we're in that little bucks, stumps. I missed the long over there. That's too bad for me. I had a little bit of long trade, but I wasn't eager to take it, and it moved quite quick. It was a 97 entry that I wanted a better price on. I would have demanded 94, 95, 93. So it would have had to trigger me in, go a little against the trade, and that's when I would have entered. But it didn't. We're already 6, 7 points up, and that's it for me. I'm not entering in on the trade anymore. It's 11:20. Cheap trades are best. Yeah, they are the best. They are the best. I've ran that statistically. And anytime I ran a model where it entered on a pullback, the overall numbers, the profit factor was higher. Sometimes spectacularly. My favorite one, the one that always impressed me, was if you only enter on a 50% retrace. So if your entry is at 10 and your stop is at 0, on the initial system, you would put a limit order at, once it triggers, you put a limit order at 5. So you're only risking half. Now, your target, which was originally 1-to-1, is 3-to-1. Because it's got to make the first half just to get the break even. That's your 1-to-1. And then to make the other, and then to get to the 1-to-1 of the original, that's another 2 halves. So you've turned a 1-to-1 trade by being patient into a 3-to-1 trade. It's killer. I guess that's why ICT says the optimal trade entry, enter on a 60% pullback or something. Yeah, it makes sense. Makes sense. You know, if you enter in on 66% pullback, your risk, if it's the swing low, is 33%. It's 1/3. And just to get back to the previous swing high or wherever you're measuring from, that's a 2-to-1 trade. And if you break above that, that becomes a 3-to-1, 4-to-1 trade. And that's how you make money in this prop firm world. Funny. I can take a long now on a pullback. 11:23. I'm not going to take a big position, guys, because it's later in the day, and I'm kind of mentally fatigued already, but I will enter in the order. There's my limit order. These trades carry a little bit more risk. No, I'm sorry. It's not this one that carries a little more risk. This one's manageable. This one has an add 884 and usually risks about 12 points. I'm good with this trade. Got above initial balance high, just a tiny bit. I don't even think we really broke above that range. See, that's what I said. Look how they trade below it. Oops. Look how, come on, give me my box here. Look how they trade below it. That's really just a fake out. That white dash line, it should be bigger. That gets us above initial balance high. We got two consecutive candles to close above, but we still don't have a candle that shows space. So the IB retest trade hasn't yet occurred. And I have no conviction yet that we're going to solidly trade above the IB. There we go. We're in for a 3-lot. I add on the next candle, on the second candle if it goes, and I stop out if you get 3 in a row. Three in a row doesn't seem to happen that often when you look in hindsight, but when I take these trades, for some reason, they just seem to always happen. There you go, that's 2. London was closed today. I have no idea. I'm such a short-term oriented trader that I pay attention to so few things. Go a little higher. I'm going to try and get out of a 3-lot here and improve my price. London was closed. Yeah, no, I don't know if it was. I don't know. I gotta get out. That's it. I'm done. Stopped out. It took away my profits on that account. And we're bouncing off that blue line that I put in. But I had to get out. My trade was... invalidated. Wow, so 2 pokes above IB high. And both times we get pushed back inside the initial balance. Interesting. Very interesting. Why are you laughing? Because I got stopped out. That's not funny. I do have another long trade potential, though. That would be this candle closing bullish. That's the trade that has more risk. I'm not comfortable with it, but I'll take it. I will take it. I'm not copying trading. I'm not. Start over. I'm not copy trading, so it's really only risk on one account. It's no big deal. I didn't even run my sim accounts to run my tests. Oof. Maybe I woke up too late today. Doing your best, Sergeant Schultz. Schultzy, I don't know, is that from Hogan's Heroes? Are you telegraphing your age? I mean, you know my age. Just chop suey. That was a good show. I see nothing. I'm sorry, I'm not using his accent, but I hear nothing. He was hilarious. Schultze. It's trying to go higher. The best. Yeah, who would have thunk that they make a comedy about World War II, eh? MASH, another one. Give me a better price. Don't run without me. Come back. There we go. That's a little bit by bit. What happened? Why are you waiting? Just chopping. Yeah, but I gotta enter. It's an entry. It's an entry. I gotta enter. Gotta take all of them. I don't know which ones are going to be the winners. 04, I'm in at 01. Not bad. If I can get 02, I think I'm going to add. We should see 11 bid. 70% chance. 70% chance we see 11 bid. Statistically speaking, that's all. Oh shit, 11 bid is over the IB. It's over the IB high. That could make my trade a little harder to reach target. Stupid IB. Couldn't be at 20,120. Make my life easier on this trade. Well, we got 4 bounces at 20,086. And that would be my add point. Maybe I'll get aggressive and add another piece here. And hope I don't pay for it dearly on this account. MA cross, MACD cross lower. Yeah, but they have false signals sometimes, don't they? I can hope. Last time I did this, I paid the price. It went lower. It didn't hold for me. It was 7 times it touched, and when I finally did it, it didn't hold for me. Looking for confluences. I'm just looking to get a better average price and reduce my size, to be honest with you. But it's risky. It's risky! 88, 89, 87, 88, 87, 86 offer, 87, 84, 88. Let me see, 89, 88, 88, 87, 89. There, I can get out a piece. Lower my risk a little bit. Go up, get me out a little piece again. There we go, 91, 91. I can get out a final piece in there. I have a 5 lot at a lower price. And if the next candle is a bear candle, I get out. So I'm good with that. On the average position size, I got out a lot of it at break even, and I managed to hold my original size now at a much better price. Now I can let it go comfortably. So let me see if I can get 24 points. That would be under the IB high, and that would be 08. 20, not 08, yeah, 20,108. I got 3 thumbs up. Siskel and Ebert only gave 2 thumbs up. You're giving me 3 stumps. I like that. I'll take my 3 thumbs up. But I'm really just treading water on this stupid account because this account was up 100 and now it's down 7, now it's down 40. Oh, look at that. That's my stop. But even though it stopped me out, it gave me a much better price. I like that. I like that. I like being stopped out and getting a better price. That's why I don't put in my stops. People ask, how come you don't have your stops in? Why you handle manually? That's why. It's probably that. Just that alone would have probably cost me 8 points on the position if I had to stop in rather than doing it manually. Because it wicked lower and shot right back up. But they would have filled me at the low, probably at the absolute low. And I got filled like 8 points higher. Yippers, yippee-ki-yay. Ooh, that's an interesting little range we're stuck in. I widened it a bit, but and below this we got VWAP. Average range in 1 minute candles is 13 points. That's not bad. That's enough to work with for me. I see that in the bottom corner here. 13.23, where my mouse is. That's my gauge, my volatility gauge. ATR, yeah, 6-period ATR. Since I'm such a short-term scalper, I just want to know what's going on in the last 6 1-minute candles, not the last 14 or 21. I kind of want to know what's happening right now. What's the environment we're in right now? And then put it all together and go with the momentum. And the higher the volatility, the more likelihood I'll see continuation when I jump in. Like right now, if we get one more candle below the one more candle to close on the Renko charts below the bands, that tells me momentum is shifting to the downside. On another chart, I have another band. It's a different band. And this is 1 minute candles. And again, this one's also telling me momentum shift to the downside. If I were to enable it, there's a strategy there. It paints the background orange when it's enabled to let me know there's a potential momentum shift or change of direction and momentum. Shorts. Yep, shorts, except VWAPs. VWAP's about 15 points away. And then based on all that analysis, I just run statistics. Like, when momentum changes, what's the probability of the first retrace candle being a good entry? Just like this one right here. Can you see it? I think you can see it. When we change direction, we cross the bands. There's your first retrace candle. What's the probability that's going to be a good entry? And what stops me out would be a close below the price channel. That's the dotted line that you can see. Anyways, I know it amounts to 3 bars. So if I enter on, in this case, if I enter on a pullback, it's a 2-bar stop. Because it takes 3 bars to cross the price channel. Again, a very aggressive price channel. Everything I do and I have on my charts is very aggressive, changes very quickly. Yeah, those are Renkos. I use, do I have them up? I use the Ninja Renkos also sometimes, but I don't like Renkos on Ninja. Oops, I have them also on topstep. Okay, there's my entry. I have them also on topstep. Just to confirm, I think topstep draws them in better. So there, oops, shit, that was a bad entry. That was a bad entry. I shouldn't have done that. Now the market has me. Could be checkmate on this one. I feel it. Feel it. I feel it. I need a little bit of a pop down to lighten up on my position. Come on, pop down. There you go. One out. Come on, take me out on that last one. There we go. So now I got a 5 lot at the second Renko pullback. And one more bullish bar. So 3 consecutive bullish gets me out. And what would get me out on the profit side is a bearish candle, which would be all the way down here. Buy limit, it would be down here. Could have been news. There's so many of those wipeouts. What's going on? Why am I not turning? Oh my God, seriously? This can is down 120 bucks? Okay, well, let's get the target. If we get the target at 120, I'm going to lighten up on a 2 lot if I have time. There we go. No, I'm long 2 by accident. There we go. Okay, turn the account green. There we go. That's the trade. The first one, the first pullback or retrace after a cross of the bands. Very high probability you're going to see continuation. I allow myself to add on the second bar, and the third bar would stop me out because the third bar would take us over the price channel. Not the bands, the price channel. There's 2 indicators on this chart working together. But here's the interesting thing. Shit, now that I covered, I have a short on topstep at 76. And I can get in at 80. Oops, too many. Too many. I double-clicked. This fucking mouse, it double-clicks by accident. No! Don't punish me. Don't punish me for this shit double-click. There we go. Let me get out. Thank you. Okay, now we're in properly. 78. Ooh, only 2 points better. I don't like it. Forget it. I'm gone. I'm chickening out. Sorry. I wanted a better price. I wanted like 80. I wanted 80 for a 5 lot. I have a super sensitive mouse. I can't tell you how many times. I guess almost every... There we go. There's 81. 82. I'll take that. I'll take this. My stop is at 90. 90 bid has to hold. But I like this trade. And my target is 69. 69 on the offer. Buy limit. Let's put it there. And the stop I'll work manually. And after this, I'm closing down. Really? It's all Tabernacle. I mean, I was down, but come on, give it a push lower. Give me a $60 push lower, a 6-point push lower. Let's see, 72, 71, 75, 76. Yeah, right. Stalling out. Don't like it. Back to the 80s. What am I short at? 82? I'm going to have to stop out. Got my finger on the buy bid button. I should add here. It is now. It's not even supposed to be. I'll tell you in a second. Let me just watch. I'm watching topstep charts. This is a great place to add, though, because my stop is at 90. Adding at 88 is almost no risk on this trade. Yeah, most likely I'll get stopped out on that add, but if suddenly sellers just jump in, push it much lower, which is always a possibility. And that's it. I'm out. Come on. Hey, buy bid. Fill me. I'm supposed to be out at 90. If I can get filled 4 points better at 86. Shit, it's going. It's going. Okay, I got to get out. I got to take my loss. Goodbye. 5 my standard size. No. That's okay. It's only one trade. That's okay. I'm indifferent to wins and losses. It's a statistical game, and I'm playing the law of large numbers, not individual trades. No, my standard size used to be 3 to 6 lots, and then I ran all my stats through ChatGPT, and ChatGPT said I should be trading 1 lot, minis, a 10 lot, 10 micros, 1 mini. For the 50K account. It did an entire statistical analysis on my trading performance. But today's the first day, and I'm supposed to copy trade to 2 other accounts. That was what it came up with. But I chickened out. I didn't copy trade, and I'm only trading half the size it recommended. I'll get there. Tomorrow, hopefully, I'll copy trade. I'll copy trade tomorrow 1 account. And then the next day I'll go to the 1 lot. And then the next day, by Thursday, maybe I'll be doing the 1 lots and copy trading to 2 accounts. So I have, I don't know, 19 accounts. So that gives me 6 rotations. And what it said is after a full loss, rotate to your next group of accounts. And don't even revisit the losing group, the losing group of 3 accounts. Revisit it tomorrow. So the worst case scenario is you have 1 loss for $120 or something in those accounts. But push it when you're winning. Like if you hit a winning streak, 3, 4, 5, 6 trades, push it on those accounts. So it said that you can have $600, $800, $1,000 winning days on the accounts that it goes, and small losses on the accounts that it doesn't go. But again, this is very active. My systems sometimes take 50, 60 entries in a day. I don't get 1 or 2 entries or 3 or 4. I don't have those kinds of systems. I do. That's not true. Let me change the account. Let's see how many entries the algo would have taken. I'm going to put it on a sim because I don't want it to accidentally take a trade on my Apex account. Put it on sim 2, sim 102. Okay. Enable. Let's go. So there you go. This is the algo. And it'll mark the trade since 9:30. So we had 1 short. If you just trade the algo, or if I just trade, not you. 2 trades. 3 trades. And that's it. The algo starts at 9:30. So it had 1 winner. 2 winners. And a loser. This was a short. How do I know it's a short? I can see the background just before it was orange. That means short bias. Here you can see the background change to blue. That means it's looking for a long. It entered over here. That's a long trade. There was no trade in between these two. And the next trade where the arrows are, if we look back, it's blue. It means it's looking for long trades. So that was a long trade. So yeah, I can just trade my algo and take a couple of trades a day, but it's not my personality. I like to be active. And I have the stats to back it up, so I'm good with it. Yeah, what do I want to? I can't sit there all day and watch, maybe take one trade. I don't know how people do it. Thing is, if I'm trying to figure shit out using my brain, I get mentally fatigued. That's why I design things that think the way I think. And it just lets me know visually. I don't have to think. So I know visually, if I have a full bar below the bands, not the price channel, which is straight lines, the bands. If I get a full bar below it, I know I'm thinking about shorts. That's all. Pretty simple. If we're shorting against VWAP, I know, well, maybe that's not going to be the world's greatest trade. We get above the bands with a full bar and then a retrace and a continuation. Well, that's a good long trade for me. If initial balance is right above where I'm entering, it's probably not such a good trade. You know, it's pretty much as easy as that. Yeah, it's all based on price action, but I don't have to analyze. I just watch the visuals. Oh, and visually, we just got along at 20,090 on the top step. And I mean, like a few seconds ago or whatever. I didn't see it. I don't even know if I could have gotten in at a better price, but once it hits 97, I can't even try to enter it anymore. What are the bands based on? Sometimes linear regression, sometimes moving averages. These are moving averages. 30 periods probably. Hold on, it's loading. 30 period EMA, the low. 30 period EMA, the high. And if I want them tighter, I'll do 30 period EMA high, 30 period EMA close. That'll bring the lower one a little tighter. Here, I'll let you see what it looks like. I'll open up the band. So let's say, right, this is on the low. If you change it to if you want tighter bands, you make it the high and the close. So I click OK. There you see the bands. When I click apply, you'll see how they'll tighten up a bit. Apply. There. So that's how they tighten up if you're using the close and the high. You know what? It's just so you don't get whipsawed with crosses above, below, above, below, above, below. If you're just using one line, you're not using a band. Again, like I said, you know, when it comes down to trading, basically what you're doing is you're trying to figure out what not to do. And I figured out what not to do is make decisions based on one line. You get slapped in the face too many times. But if you use kind of like a band, a range, it takes a little more effort to get to the other side to stop you out. And then you don't just enter on the cross, because you can also get slapped. There's times when it goes below, above, below, above. Then you wait for a retrace and continuation onside the bands. And I use also the price channel, that's that dotted line, to also give me entries. Like right now, I got a full bar above the bands, and we're crossing the price channel, the dotted line. This is the first bar that crosses the price channel. Since the first band that crosses the price channel is on the right side of the bands, I can take the first retrace right here. Let me give you an example when you can't. Here's the first bearish bar. Let me move the blue line. Here's the first bearish bar that crosses below the price channel. But I cannot take the first retrace because we are on the wrong side of the bands. And the bands are saying, stay bullish. But now I'm on the right side of the bands, so I can take that trade. All simple stuff, but all backed by statistics. I've done my homework. These aren't random trades. That's the reason why my accounts are almost always green every day. And to be honest with you, the days they're red, it's because I didn't follow my plan. Yeah, on the first bearish bar. It's actually a double because I have the price channel, I have the first cross of the price channel, and I have the first cross of the bands. So yeah, I could set in my limit order here. And I like to get a few points better. So it's at 86. Let's say I go to 84.75, a little bit better. But if you're using Renkos, I would tell you seriously, get Renkos on using the platform X. There's so much more. You get so many less false signals. It's significant. It really is, especially if you're an active trader. I mean, if you set your Renko bars to 30 points, yeah, you're not going to get a lot of false signals because you're not going to get a lot of flips from bullish to bearish. But I'm using 8-point bars over here, or 32 tick. Yeah, Project X. Whoa, what the hell is so loud in my ear? Hockey. Yes, I mean, even though I'm looking, yeah, Project X, even though I'm looking at, yeah, I'll get to your normal scalp target question. Even though I'm looking at my Ninja charts here, and that's what you see, I also have a backup chart on Topstep X, which I'm trading. And if they don't align, I won't take the trade. And sometimes, in this case, I put in a limit order, but very often I won't even put in the limit order because I want to see the bar also form on Topstep X. Because oftentimes, and I mean almost 1 in 5 trades, a bar will form on Ninja and it will not form on Topstep X. And then the question is why? And it's very simple. Ninja will print the bar as soon as it touches. As soon as price touches, right down here, Ninja will print the bearish bar. Topstep X will wait 1 second. And if price doesn't stay at this level or lower, it won't print the bar. So if we just tick it and then go right back up, Topstep X won't print the bar, but Ninja will. So it prevents you from getting wicked into your trades or wicked out of your trades, and it helps. What's my normal scalp target? The statistical target is 2 bars. All my numbers that I'm running is always on 2-bar profit. Yeah, it's a huge difference. It's a huge difference. Personally, I don't think you can make money using Ninja, Renko bars on Ninja. I think your edge is completely taken away with those false signals. They take you out when they shouldn't, and they enter you in on the trade when they shouldn't. You know, you had 4 losing trades per day that I don't have because I'm using Topstep X. That's a huge difference. But yeah, my targets are always based on every number, every stat I give you, except for the 70%. It's all based on 2 bars. Everything that ChatGPT calculated was based on going for a 2-bar profit. 2-bar profit, 45% accuracy. That's what everything was calculated on. Okay, you know what? It's 11:59. I was supposed to go for a coffee. What the hell happened? Oh, there was a message. Oh, no problem. It was fun. You know what? I hate sitting here talking to myself. My analysis is so damn simple. You know, I can't analyze price action like other people can, talking about it for 45 minutes. I'm a KISS guy. Keep it simple, stupid. You don't have to complicate things to make money in the markets. Yes, high time frame analysis does help, but I do have high time frame analysis. I don't just use these 8-point bars. I also have 14-point bars, giving me a bias on the top step charts. So I kind of have like a higher time frame Renko and a lower time frame Renko. A 7-point on top step matched with a 14-point right beside it. The 14-point right now is long. It's above the bands. It's also using the bands. So when I get bullish trades on the 7-point Renkos, when the 14-point Renkos are bullish, that's nice. That's nice. Makes me even more confident in those trades. Indeed. I'm removing this order. Not in the mood for it. Did you leave yet? Ha. Huh? I didn't see your message. Ah, you're behind. Yeah, you just click the live button beside the volume button. There's a button that says live on the YouTube. So if you click it, it brings you right to the most. It brings you up to date. No. I'm done. Yep, everything switched along, Stumpy. Can I call you Stumpy? I like it better. What, Dimitri? So you're leaving now? You're leaving now? Yeah. Okay. So, I'll be ready. Okay, bye. Okay, I don't see anything else to do. We're getting above initial balance again. You can see on the 1-minute chart. But I want to go enjoy my day and have a coffee. I'm not happy that I didn't trade full size. I trade half size. I'm not happy that I didn't copy trade, but I am testing out this ChatGPT aided risk plan. And I guess I just wanted to dip my toe in the water. Cheap shorts, yeah. But that's counter trend. I'm a trend trader. So if you want to know, or if I want to know, or if I want to tell you what's the best way to make my brain explode, is try to figure out how to take a counter trend trade while you're also trying to figure out how to take a trend trade. And I've tried that so many times because my boys do very well. I have twin boys, they trade. I don't know if you know. They do. I gotta go. I'm going for coffee. My buddy's gonna be here picking me up soon. They trade ICT and they're counter trend traders. You know, they'd be kind of like you, looking. Well, I don't know if that's what you do, but you just called it there. They're looking for counter trend trades. You know, reversals. Changes of direction at significant levels. I mean, I would say this is a significant level here. It's proven itself to be a resistance area. But not, I've tried that, and it just screws me up. I got to accept the fact that I'm going to take losses when they take profits. And it's no big deal. It's part of my numbers and it's part of my stats. They take losses like I take losses. So that's my area of losses and I can't fight it. Yeah, I don't have value area higher or the point of control. It's too bad. You got to pay for it with Ninja and I don't put it up. I think you can get it with, maybe I can even get it on topstep. because it works through Topstep X works through TradingView, and I think TradingView gives you the volume profile, but I have enough. I guess I can do without it. Anyways, guys, it was fun hanging out with you all. It's on Topstep, yeah. I'll take a look. And co-stream tonight, 7 p.m. with Joker Trades. We'll be taking some trades. We trade differently. He takes ICT style trades while I take scalp trades. So often we're at odds. He's selling while I'm going long. So it's kind of comical. You get to see two perspectives. And sometimes you get to see when we're on the same side, because I'm going short when he goes for big targets. So yeah, thanks for the enjoy your coffee. Are you Southern? If you're saying coffee. Yeah, so 7 p.m. is the co-stream, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and then a solo stream. It sounds like the soda stream where you make your own colas. 9:15 a.m. Hell nah. Okay, well, that's I thought was the coffee. California from birth. California Southern. It's not a northern state. It's not Texas Southern, but it's Southern. Okay, guys, I gotta go. Thanks for showing up. That's my breakout. Yeah, that's my speech. And I'll see you guys tonight and tomorrow. Take care. Bye. It was fun. Thanks. Thanks for the conversation, Stumps. I enjoyed it. Take care. Bye. I'm back. By the way, did you notice no music? I turned it off. Actually, it's on very, very low so I can hear it. Okay, I'm gone. Bye. Gotta go. Gotta go. Okay, no, I'm back. I got one more thing to say. No, I'm joking. Okay, really, now I'm going. Bye.